Starting today, the Child Safety in Motor Vehicles Act will be implemented, meaning children aged 12 and below must be properly secured in appropriate car seats while traveling. As a parent, you might be scrambling to find which car seat is best to buy, so in this video we'll look at different car seat categories and why we chose the Joie Every Stage car seat for our baby. There are still a lot of questions regarding this new law, and one such question has become viral because of the response of the LTO official to a valid question regarding height.
Ang tanong, Direktor, kung ang 12 years old po ninyo ay sobrang tangkad at siya po ay lalagyan ng booster, so aangat po yun, Direktor, tatama ang ulo sa kotse. Hindi po ba mas delikado yun? Kapag nagkaroon po tayo ng
siguro
aksidente.
Laki-lakihan mo yung sasakyan mo.
But upon checking the RA 11-22-9, mandatory use of child restraints is based on height and not on age. The confusion may have been brought about by the definition of child in this Republic Act, which refers to any person aged 12 and below. In such cases that the child is above 150 centimeters, regular seatbelt may be used. So with that out of the way, let's look at different car seat categories. The new law follows the UN regulations, which has 5 categories depending on the child's weight. Now, this would mean that if you buy a car seat only for a specific category, then you should expect to buy again every time your child outgrows it. A vast variety of car seats are available in department stores and even online, with some priced even at less than 2,000 pesos. But these are mostly catering only to 1 or 2 categories. This is one of the main reasons why we chose a car seat that would cover all categories, and we found the Joie Every Stage, which caters to newborns as well as kids up to 12 years old. Founded in 2011, this brand originated from the UK. Most of us might pronounce it as Joie, but the correct pronunciation is actually Joie. Original price of this car seat is at 16,000 pesos, but we got it on sale for only 8,500. This car seat is installed using your car's seatbelt instead of the more modern ISOFIX. But with the discount that we got, we're not complaining. Installing by seatbelt is easy with instructions on the user manual as well as on YouTube. Shifting the car seat to different categories is also easy, from rearward facing Group 0 to forward-facing Groups 1, 2, and 3. Although the implementation of this new car seat law has already started, apprehension of violators will only begin 3 to 6 months after, which should give you ample time to have a look at different car seats at different price points and then decide which is best for your child. So with that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, The Misadventures of Ronnie G. Thank you for watching and stay safe.